we have to U-turn this van in a really short space. That side.
It's okay.
Very hot. Ziben Guest House. Ziben Guest House, that is the place we are heading to. Just look at the road and just look at the lake. I can see few people swimming already and I can't wait to jump inside the water because it's so hot. And oh, that's just beautiful. And
Yeah. And yeah, let's see. Ziben, okay, Ziben.
Milo, Milo, oh. Oof. Super torquey engine makes it easy.
Easy, not easy at all.
Yes, it's so easy.
The
I
water,
can't-
water.
It's okay. I can't believe a vehicle this big and this heavy is climbing up so easily. But you know the history of this van is this was designed by Mercedes.
Again.
And, yeah. The engine and everything was designed by Mercedes. There is a same van that is made by Mercedes and the Porsche got the design and they made it. So
Advertising time.
yes, I really like Force Motors. Very reliable. Ziben Guest House. Wow, beautiful view. But I don't think if they'll allow us to stop.
So they agree, the owners agree us to park it for like free, and we are going there to park.
After a lot of struggle, after fixing a lot of things, now the van is finally complete and trustworthy enough to travel, stay, explore, sturdy, strong, very rigid. Everything is perfect about the van now. We did the stickering, we did a lot of stuff, but mostly fixing. But yeah, it's needed. Like finally a shower in the lake. Milo, float off. Catch him. He'll run. Wait, I'll come. I'll come. There was a place, the guy said you have to pay 100 for taking a shower. But I don't think, like, this is a public place. This doesn't belong to anyone, so no need for paying. Milo's happy. Everyone is happy. Everything is happy. Eventually, a little bit hustle for the past 10 days. But now, sunshine time. And also we were super pissed off with the rain because it was raining a lot. Milo, come. Milo, come. Milo, come. Come, Milo.
Milo.
It's okay, right? Milo's making some friends. Come, Milo, come. Come, Milo. Ba. Come. Come, Milo, come. Almost there to the lake. This is the view, people.
Very funny.
Took a shower over there. Not feasible at all, man. Is there a way? Oh shit. How did you even go through this? Ask the local. Let's just get in if they come then.
Can we swim here?
They are traveling, Rosie.
Oh, then I don't know who to ask.
Just put it.
There's nobody. What the?
This is much better. Yeah?
Of course.
He's swimming, Rosie. Hey? 44. Hey. Hi. Milo. Milo. Bah. Milo is also swimming. Very nice. I didn't put the leash at all. Hi. 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 Jamina.
Coming back? So fast.
He's a good swimmer.
Oh.
Hey, he's running. Milo, Milo, come. Milo, come. Milo, come. Milo, go.
The rope?
Go, Rosie. Go inside. Rosie is trying to swim.
Yeah, I can stand here. It's not that.
Yeah. Doing some branding and editing. Just look at this view. So beautiful. Oh, the food is ready. Yeah, thank you so much. Shit, it's hot. Yeah. Thank you for the food. We are the weather is so beautiful outside. It's raining and we are cozy sitting inside watching TV and chilling.